It's not your team's fault. They're very competent and talented, but they could use some assistance. See, they're strapped on all fronts, dealing with outdated systems, resources, time, budget, and keeping on top of the latest technologies.
Fade in. Interior. Your place. Day. We see you sitting at your computer. You pull up Google. You type in video company.
The web is becoming increasingly visual. For marketers like you, this means the images you choose to tell your brand story are more valuable than ever. Time to Nova is a leading online marketing company in the United Arab Emirates. A reliable guide and partner, we integrate effective online marketing practices with creatively designed content. At the same time, video collaboration is becoming more spontaneous. There's a need to have meetings with whoever and wherever, beyond your executive team. With a booming real estate business, Brian's one busy broker. His top agent, Jane, is closing 3 deals a month. While business is great, the paperwork isn't. If you look over there, not too far away from where you are, you'll see a company that's doing something different. A company that's applying the same AI technologies that are currently making your life easier to their business.